Hi everyone. Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Yes. Thank you for giving us your time for today. Ako nga pala si Juan Carlos. I'm playing the character of Jasper. Di ko alam kung ano yung apelido ni Jasper. Nakalimutan ko na. Pero yun na yun. Thank you.
Bali yung role ko dito si Benj, isa akong rockstar. Rockstar na cameraman ni Vibs, which is played by Lai Jody.
Yung revelation.
Tapos, yun, hubadero lang ako dito. Lagi ako nakahubad. Hindi kasi yung iinit, kung ano, mainit yung mga locations namin, biglang uulan, biglang araw ng sobra. Pero happy naman sa set, natatapos naman namin kahit na sobrang cover. Ginagawa namin.
So, bukod sa alam mo.
I am the supportive mother of Jody, and I own a carinderia that serves food and drinks and alcohol, and many of my scenes are there.
I know.
And I live in a very old house, very kind of nice
I know.
house, and I think my husband was not a very good man, so I'm always protective of Jody. I always build him up until she found out finally. And we have a small
She was made to believe na the father is
he was a good person and everything.
only to find out na wala pa sa will find out. Santa Maria! Nagpapayaman ng gusto, may new online shows, kung anong daming she's ano.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here this afternoon. Sobrang na-appreciate po namin yung presence po ninyo, yung time na nilaan po ninyo ngayong hapon para makasama po kami dito sa aming munting media con. Kahit hindi talaga munting kasi sobrang masasabi ko,
100
napaka-well
media
attended.
people are here today.
So
Yeah.
maraming salamat po sa panahon na ibinigay niyo sa amin ngayong hapon.